The PowerPoint said that soil is a vital for biodiversity and ecosystem health. It points out that soil provides the 15 essential elements for plants' growth. Next is regulate water cycle and helps mitigate climate change, suffer from degradation affecting 33% of global and land. So, what are these 15 essentials? So, it includes the nitrogen, the phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, manganese, zinc, copper, boron, molybdenum, chlorine, nickel, and cobalt. So that is the 15 essential elements for plants. So in order for you to grow the soil, it needs to have these 15 elements. The next is regulate water cycle and helps mitigate climate change. So water cycles also helps to mitigate the climate change. So to uh, it helps the soil to become more healthier. And and this about on how soil is important is. It says that soil gives plants what they need to grow, helps to control water and climate, but also that a lot of soil around the world is getting damaged. So, of course, nowadays some of the soil in the world are getting damaged just because of our illegal activities. So soil gives plants what they need, and also it helps the plants to grow. So, the PowerPoint says taking care of our soil is the key to a sustainable future. It highlights specific practices just like crop rotation, conservation tillage, investing in soil restoration. So, what is crop rotation? Crop rotation is a planting different crops in the same area, season after season. This enhances soil fertility by naturally replenishing nutrients, reduces pest and disease, and boosts biodiversity by supporting a wider range of organisms. The next is conservation tillage, farming methods that minimize disturbance to the soil, reducing erosion caused by wind and water. This helps maintain soil structure, conserve moisture, and protect valuable topsoils. Then the next is inventing in soil rotation, actively working to restore degraded soils through practices like adding organic matter, planting cover crops, and improving drainage. This not only revitalizes the soil but also enhances its capacity to support plant and grow and another ecosystem service. So these practices together form a path to sustainability by ensuring the long-term health and productivity of our soil.
Agriculture, a key to food security. Agriculture support food security in economic develop. Agriculture provide food for 7.9 billion people. Agriculture is a major source of income for 2.5 billion people. Climate change and soil degradation threaten agricultural productivity. Sustainable agriculture as a situation to food security. Crop rotation enhance soil fertility and promotes biodiversity. Crop rotation enhance soil fertility and promote biodiversity by alternating different crops in the same field. conservation intelligent minimize soil disturbance and reduce erosion. So convergence stage minimize soil disturbance, reducing erosion and improving soil health. Promote sustainable agriculture practice and invest in agricultural research. Promote sustainable agricultural practices, encourage investment in agricultural research to develop and implement sustainable farming methods. Image a photo for a farmer using detergent. Image photo of a farmer using conversion intelligence is visual present one of the key of practices.
Food security, a global challenge. Food security challenges. So, 3.1 billion people cannot afford a healthy diet. 7.83 million face hunger, with the majority of developing countries. Climate change, poverty, and inequality contributes to food insecurity. Sustainable agriculture and food security. Promote sustainable agriculture practices. So just like backyard gardening. So the people can have their own food so they don't need to buy it from the supermarket. So that one of a sustainable agricultural and food security practices. So number two is invest in agricultural research and development. So it is the main or the job of the government. So agricultural research. So the government should help the farmers to have more knowledge about the crops that they would plant then and the agricultural development. So the government should help the people to our they can help the farmers. So irrigating the areas, so building some canals and hydros, then maybe some support for the farmers so that they can sustain their livelihood, so that agriculture and food security can be secured. Then support climate smart agricultural initiatives. And that's all. Thank you.